Hello, in this video I'm going to show the speed up tricks on the ULEFONE Armor X12. Okay, so maybe let's begin with the developer options and a few things that we can change in them to gain some speed and performance. To get access into the developer settings, we need to open up our normal settings first. When we are here, we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find About Phone. Now, find the version. And in here we have our build number. We need to tap on it a few times. Now I also need to draw my lock screen to confirm, and we can see on the bottom that we are now a developer. Now let's go back from here. Click on the system, and in here we have our developer options. Now we need to scroll down a little until we find 4 specific options that we can change. So let's keep scrolling. Here are the first 3. Animation duration scale, transition animation scale, and the window animation scale. Currently I even see that they are not set on 1x just like on any other device, because there's a chance that defaultly and in most devices it will be set on 1x, but to gain some free speed you can set it on off or on 0.5, all 3 options. You could see that they were defaultly on the 0.5. For me, this mode is like a perfect balance between 1x and completely turned off animations, because we will still have them. They will be a little different, but they will be still enabled. So for me, 0.5 is like a perfect balance, so I'll pick each of those 3 options on 0.5. Now let's scroll down a little, let's find the apps, and in here we have the background process limit. Currently it's set on the standard, but we can select it on at most 4 or at most 3 for the best performance of our device. Oh, in here actually it doesn't want to change, maybe it's a lag, so select it on that mode. Okay, now we can close the developer options. Now the next thing is simply uninstalling the apps that you are not currently using. For now, in my case, I don't have any of the apps that I can uninstall. Maybe it will be the YouTube. We can click on the app info. No, it's the system app, so it's not available. But if you have the apps that you have downloaded manually from the Play Store and the apps that you are not using, simply uninstall them to get some free storage space, and thanks to that your device might work a little bit faster. In some apps there's a chance to clear the cache. It won't be available in all of them. For example, I have picked the YouTube, and in here we can see that I have 1.5 megabyte of the cache, and to gain some free speed we can simply click on clear. Don't worry, that doesn't erase your data, but remember not to click by mistake on clear storage. Be aware of that. Don't click on clear storage because you'll delete your data in that app. Okay, next thing is the cleaning center, cleaning assistant. Now we can click on clear now, click on allow, basically allow for everything. Click on clear. In here we can select the things that we can clear. We have cache garbage. You can click on clear. 38 megabytes now will be freed. Alright, we can also optimize for acceleration. Click on accelerate. Okay, optimization completed. It's also worth doing, and that's all that we had to do in the cleaning assistant. Also, if you want, you can download some third-party cleaning apps from the Play Store. You can simply type cleaning or cleaner, and you'll have a whole list of apps that can help with deleting the junk files from your device. But remember that before downloading such an app, read the reviews and check the ratings of the app before you download it. Okay, now as a last thing that I'm going to show you is a simple reboot of your device. Because during that process the RAM gets freed up. We can also say that the phone rests during the reboot. So to perform it, simply hold the power button, click on the restart, and now within a second the device will be automatically turned on again and it will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.